Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I made this design using Kittle's new AI feature, and in this video I'm going to show you the process of creating this design and how to use Kittle's AI new feature. If you don't know it, Kittl have recently released their own AI feature which can be found on the Kittl platform. It is also available for all their subscription plans, even for the free plan. However, the free plan only gives you 15 credits to use for only one time, which you can use to create 15 images, while the pro plan gives you 20 monthly credits and the expert plan gives you 100 monthly credits. The good thing about Kittl's AI feature is that it provides you image style guide, which you can use to get the result you want. There are many styles that you can use as a reference, which will provide you various results according to the one you choose. If you're not aware of Kittl, you can watch these videos on my channel, where I take you step by step and show you how to design on Kittl. I will leave the links to these videos in the description. Now, if we head to Kittl's home screen and click on New Project, you can enter the dimensions that you want. For your design, I'm going to enter 4500 by 5400 and choose the vertical mode. From your left menu, you can find all the options that you can use for designing on Kittl, and the Kittl AI will be found at the bottom of the left menu. You can click on the image styles and you will have many options available to choose from. There are different image styles, clip art styles, and even vector styles. All you need to do is to write the description of the image you want in the dedicated box, then choose the image style and then generate the image. This is what we are going to do right now. I'm going to write Scary Lion's Head and choose the psychedelic image style and generate the image, but this is not the image that I was looking for. The style looks nice though, so I decided to choose another style. Same prompt, the detailed drawing. Yeah, this is not a lion's head, but I think I can work with that. It's more of a beast head, so if we change our background to black, we can see that the image has a white background that we need to remove. We can do that using the AI background removal from the right menu. So now our image is ready. We can start working on it. I'm going to search for some splashes, fire splashes, to add to the background of the image. I'll select a couple of splashes to be placed on my artboard, and then I'm going to play with them. You can move any graphic on your screen from the layers panel on the right and change the colors. So I started to place the splashes at the background. Then I decided to add eyes to the graphic because I don't like the eyes of the image that was created. So I started to place a couple of eyes and see which one fits better, and also change the color of the eyes. I duplicated the eyes to create the right eye and changed the colors again. Now my main image looks much better after adding the eyes. Then I decided to search for a circle to add as a background to the head of the monster. I added this one and moved it to the back. Then I decided to add some abstract shapes. I like these lines, can always search for whatever element you want from the element menu from the left side. So I also added this circle and changed the color to red. It added depth to my design. So now I decided to add some text. You can also add text using the left menu. I choose one text template, ungrouped the template, and started to play with the text and change the text itself. But first I decided to group the monster head with the eyes. I started to add my text to the design. My main text is unleash your inner beast. So I decided to write the unleash word at the top and the rest of the text at the bottom. Then using the effects menu on your right side, I played with the shadow of the text. I duplicated the splash effect and added to the top of the design. Then I added my other text at the bottom and continued to adjust the whole design to fit my artboard. Finally, I decided to add some texture, also using the left menu. The texture gives a very nice and cool effect to the whole design, which can be seen very clearly on the word unleash. And I also played with the angle of the shadow of the word unleash and changed the font until I found the font that I like. I decided to leave the text EST established in 1989. I think I like it. Now my design is almost ready. First, I decided to clip my texture so that it cannot be seen at the background when using the mockup generator. I decided to place the art, my final design, on a t-shirt. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thanks for watching.